Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a huge Chamase, well, not huge, I guess like a medium size haul from Chamase, as well as some products that were sent to me from Versed at the end of this video, or maybe we'll talk about it in the beginning, who knows. But most of the products I'll be talking about are from Chamase, so if you want to see everything that I picked up, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you look for some makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so notify whenever I upload, and if you could like the video if you like it, and the video's gonna start right now. So I'm just gonna start picking out random stuff. So the first item from Chamase is the A+ microfiber scrunchie. Not sure why I picked this up. I actually have another Chamase Shop Miss A. I know somebody said that it sounds weird when I say all together like that, but Shop Miss A order on the way to me now. But I did pick up the microfiber scrunchie, and this did retail for, what does it say, $188. Not sure why I picked this up, honestly. I guess I just wanted to try it out. It's supposed to be like a, says an absorbent scrunchie that helps hair dry faster. Interesting. Okay, and it did retail for $188. I believe it comes in different colors, so I chose the one in pink. This is giant. Okay, so we're gonna see how this works. Oh my god, yeah, I don't know why again I picked this up, but I did. And this is again the pink one. It feels like a towel kind of fabric, I don't know, so I did pick that up, which again I don't know why. Next we have the Mochi teardrop blenders, which came in a bag for some reason like this. It was like a bag within a bag, but this is the Mochi teardrop blenders, and it does come with 6 in here. Not sure how much this retailed for, but I'll have it on the screen or down below. And it does come with 6 sponges, so I really love the Chamase sponges. So let me see how this feels. Oh, super squishy and soft. Can't wait to see how it feels on the face. So it comes with this pink kind of blush color, as well as with this like pale kind of moment. So again, both of them are really squishy, so I'm going to see how it works on the face in an upcoming video. But yeah, can't wait to try these out. I did go ahead and repurchase my AOA Studio Bionic Vegan Mink lashes. These are my favorites, and they're in this style. What is it, tie? I have no idea, but this is my favorite pair of lashes. I do have another pair, but they're just kind of wonky now. I've used them so much. I did have to repurchase, and these do retail for $5, which is why I was hesitant to repurchase them. $5 lashes, they have so many great like $188 lashes or whatever. For like super cheap, they have $1 lashes, but these are so nice and well made that I had to pick them up again. So this is a repurchase. I did go ahead and purchase their liners. So they did come out with a bunch of lip liners. I did pick up each and every one of them because I wanted to compare them to the liquid lipsticks and see which ones go together. They're more of neutral shades. So I have a picture on the screen of all of them together, but this is how they look in person. And all of them are like wrapped up like always. All Chamase products are always super wrapped up with plastic. I'm gonna go ahead and open one of them up. Let's see. So this one's super nude, not this one. Maybe like a brownie tone. I'm gonna try this one in the shade Expose. I'm not gonna unwrap it all the way, but there's a look at Expose. They're really creamy, and they are retractable liners. So there's a shade Expose. That's so nice. This one here is in the shade Silk. Let's give them a swatch just in case you guys want to pick one up or whatever. This one's in Lingerie. This one here is in Cuddle. This one here is in Love Note, which is really pale. This one's in Night Out, which is really vibrant, almost red. This one here is in Dawn. This one here is in Soar. And then we have the shade Satin. So there's a look at those lip liners. We get a variety of kind of everyday tones along with some red pinky tones. I'm so glad they didn't come out with a bunch of pinks like with their liquid lipsticks, and that they're coming out with more neutral shades like these up here. So happy about that. So I can't wait to try these on the lips, but just swatching them out, they're very creamy and easy to glide on. So we're gonna see how they work on the lips, but those are the lip liners there. I did go ahead and pick up these little rubber bands. I use them for my hair to make them, just to make like braids, so my hair is like very voluminous, and you know how I do my hair. So basically I put my hair in braids, and then the next day it's like a wavy kind of moment. So I use the ones from Chamase, especially now. As of lately, I've just been throwing them in my cart. It comes with a total of 250 rubber bands in here, and all of them are black. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get use out of these. I also went ahead and picked up one little pack of the charcoal nose strip, which is supposed to reduce blackheads. I don't think I have blackheads, but I'm gonna give it a try. Why not? I always wanted to try a nose strip, so I did just pick up one. Next, I went ahead and picked up one of their lip balms. So this is their bombshell, girl. This is their bombshell lip balm. It retailed for $188. Basically, it has like lip color, or it's like a little like glossy moment, and then lip color and like the center of the product is what it looks like. It did come with a bunch of other shades, but honestly, I don't need so many lip balms. I have so many from the Dollar Tree that I just hauled. So I kind of pulled it back, reeled it in, and picked up one shade. So this is the one in Kitten. Again, this is their balm shell. Super cute. Looks so cool. So it looks like almost shimmery on the outside, and then the center of the product, it has like lip color, which is also very like balmy. Again, this one's in Kitten. I'm gonna swatch it under the lip liner. So this is a really interesting kind of shimmery formula. So there's a look at that. That's the one in Kitten. Goes on, it's like very smooth. So that's interesting. So it's just like a lip balm with color to it, basically. So that's interesting. I really like the packaging as well. Am I going to go ahead and pick up the other shades? I don't think so. We're going to see. If I'm super impressed, I'm definitely going to go back on there and just pick them up. They're really cheap, but yeah, I kind of want to try one out and see my thoughts. I picked up two mascaras. So the first one is the Tall Lash Mascara. So this one looked really intriguing. I believe I picked up, oh, this is the one in black, and it retailed for $188. So there's a look at the packaging. Super sleek. Love the color. I love what they've been doing with their packaging as of lately. It's so nice. I'm going to give it a look just because I want you guys to see if you guys want to purchase it or not. So just so you guys could see, it is a very thin kind of brush. So as you can see, it's like thin and a little wide on the side. It looks like a little comb. So interesting. And then we have this one here, which is the Big Boss Mascara. It's meant to provide volume and length, and this one did retail for $155. And I want to go back and get this one in brown. I'm very tempted. Not sure if I already did in this new order that's on the way to me now, but this one I believe is just the one in black. So it has like all the information on the back, which I love. So it's meant to be buildable, long wearing, and lengthening, and it shows you like everything that it's free of. It's free of parabens, alcohol, all of that stuff. And it shows you also, it gives you instructions on how to use it. Like, we never used mascara before, but yeah, really nice packaging as well. So there's a look at that. Also really nice, cute color. It is like a light pink, and that's how it looks on the back. Let's take a look at the wand. Oh, definitely very reminiscent of my City Color mascara, the pink one. Yeah, very similar wands. It's like huge, but we're gonna see how it looks on the lashes. So I'm super excited about both mascaras. One last thing from Shop Miss A, I also picked up a hair oil. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be bigger. I think I got the small size and forgot, but this is the Airways Studio Nourishing Natural Hair Oil, retail for $155. I believe this is a baby size, not sure, but this is meant to, not sure, it's for your hair. So it's non-toxic, it's vegan, paraben free. So this is meant to nourish and hydrate your hair. So we're gonna see how this works. I'm not gonna open it just yet, but I'll definitely update you guys soon, girl, because I kind of wanted to see what this does. I've never used a hair oil, so I wanted to see again if it's gonna make my hair look oily. Is it gonna make it look less voluminous? Also, it's really good for frizz apparently, so we're gonna see how this works. One last thing, this is a random product from Shein, but I do want to mention it here in case you guys see it in a different video. This is a She Glam little palette. What is this called? This is their Smart Cookie Shadow Stack, and it's very reminiscent to, what is it, Cara Beauty, which have the little stack shadows. And this was a gift with purchase, so I did want to mention it here. I believe this retails for $3 on their website, and it's so cute. So it comes with a mirror, and it comes with a cream shade at the top, which I'm gonna give a swatch. Oh, look at that, it's so nice. Next we get this kind of pukey brown shade, which is so beautiful. I'm gonna give that a swatch as well. So pretty. And then on the bottom we get a chocolate brown shade, which I already swatched, so that's the color story. So cute. I definitely cannot wait to try this on the eyes. So Versed reached out to me and they wanted to send me a couple of their products, which is super nice. Thank you so much. The first product that came in the package was this beautiful headband. Look at that, so stunning. It's a beautiful tone of pink. It's like the perfect pink shade, and it's just so nice. I definitely cannot wait to try this when I'm doing my skincare. Just throw this on, and it's just so cute. So yeah, super glad that they threw this in here, and it is like a towel kind of texture. It's really nice, so I definitely can't wait to try this out, and it feels so comfortable. Next product, we have the Verse Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream. As you guys know, I've been getting into my skincare more, so I can't wait to try these products and see how they react with my skin, how it goes on. And if you guys have been here, I haven't been putting makeup on for 2 whole weeks, so that means I wasn't doing my skincare. Okay, I wasn't keeping up with anything. Can't wait to jump back on the bandwagon and start doing my skincare again regularly with these products and see my thoughts on them. So again, this is their moisturizing gel cream, super beautiful packaging. I love the color of it, so I can't wait to try it out. I know a lot of people rave about Versed. I believe you can get them on Ulta. Doesn't have any scent to it as well, so let's see what is this supposed to do. This is made for all skin types. Oh, I love that it tells you what it is. It says what it doesn't have, what it has. It is vegan, cruelty free, fragrance free, dye free, and it tells you what it is and how to use it and at what time. I love that, because sometimes with skincare, especially with me, I'm a skincare beginner, so a lot of times I'm kind of like, when do I use this? Do I use it in the morning? Do I use it in the night? So I love the fact that this has all the information we need to know on the back, so I definitely cannot wait to try this out. But this is a product that you can use in the morning or in the night, AM to PM, after cleansing and applying serums, so definitely going to try that out and see how that works. Next product, we have the Versed Firm Ground Retinol Body Lotion. Super excited about that, and again, it tells you what I am, when to use it, what it does, what it has. So this is made for dryness, aging skin, and breakouts. So definitely excited about this. You guys know my skin tends to be very dry, so I can't wait to try this out and see what it does for me. Next, we have this product here, which is the Press Restart Gentle Retinol Serum. You know, I've been trying serums from Shop Miss A, which, you know, it's been okay. Again, I haven't really been keeping up with my skincare, so I can't wait to try these out and see how they work on my skin. But again, it tells you what it is, how to use it, what time to use it, so that's super helpful. I love that it has all the information on the back. It's super convenient. And then there's a look at that product. Let me know if you tried Versed before. I hear a lot of people raving about their products, so I definitely cannot wait to try this. It does come with a pump kind of situation, super cute, and also their packaging is super aesthetically pleasing to look at, and it's going to look super cute on my vanity as well. Next, we have this product, which is their Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm. I didn't even notice that's what it was. This is so cute, and I cannot wait to try this out. I love any type of balm that melts off my makeup, that just kind of takes away any trouble. I just throw it on and the makeup melts off kind of moment is what I want. So I'm super glad that they sent this, and this is so it is oil based, and it's meant to remove makeup, and it also cleanses, or it is a cleanser as well. So yeah, and it tells you how to use it, when to use it, and where to use it as well. So this is so, again, super convenient, has all the information you need. So amazing, and I love the color of this packaging as well. Lastly, we have this product, and this is the Doctor's Visit Instant Resurfacing Mask, and there's a look at the packaging. Super cute. Again, I really love their aesthetic when it comes to their packaging and their yeah, look at that. This is so cool. So there's a look at that. So I believe this is just a face mask, and it tells you, yeah, cover clean or dry skin with an even layer. It tells you where to put it, when to do it. It tells you to do this once a week, ideally at nighttime. So again, this is the Doctor's Visit Instant Resurfacing Mask from Versed. Super cute. Again, the packaging is everything, and I love how convenient it is, and it tells you everything you need to know. You don't need to go and look it up on their site or the website. Everything's on the actual packaging. So thank you so much to Versed, and we actually made it to the end. Hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this video today. Everything that I talked about on the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could scroll on, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. Do your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.